Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by assembling the core components. Collect an engine, 2 large balloons, a parachute, and an anchor. Place the engine centered near the stern so thrust is balanced. This prevents yaw during ascent. Build a narrow hull using the wood and metal to lower drag, and add diagonal braces with rope to keep the frame rigid. Once done, position balloons symmetrically, then attach a parachute on a reinforced plate. This combination gives lift control and survivability through the early cloud. Once your basic craft is stable, focus on mid-flight systems that handle turbulence. Install a ballast release mechanism and set the engine throttle to half for testing bursts. Reinforce the roof and bow with metal plates to survive gusts, and add 2 side stabilizers to reduce roll. Route wiring cleanly so parachute and ballast triggers are accessible. Test short engine bursts while observing how weight shifts. Make sure the craft stays close to a 55/45 fore-aft balance, because that ratio helps clear moving clouds. You finish by climbing through the cloud layers with measured engine bursts and timed ballast releases. Use the parachute on descent to avoid hard landings. Aim to correct lateral drift early, then trim with small bursts to thread gaps. Once landed, deploy the anchor and salvage reusable parts. If the craft keeps failing, reduce total weight by about 10%, then move the engine 1 to 2 studs aft to counter nose-up torque. That single change often restores control and lets you complete the cloud quest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.